Hi Vibrant Tribe. So I'm here in Jongensfontein and just look at how gorgeous this walk is. Just practicing some mindfulness, looking around you, like the seashells on the beach is gorgeous, and look at these flowers. And actually there's a little lizard that came to say hi. Look at this little dude. He's just peekabooing. Ah, there he goes. But look at the flowers. Oh, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? And then when you look down, there is all these beautiful seashells. It is so gorgeous. Like, just look at this. Look at this. Look at this beautiful nature's treasures. So gorgeous. So guys, that is me. Practice some mindfulness daily, and I hope everyone has a fantastic day. Please remember to like, follow and share for more amazing content. Chat soon guys. Bye.